What you doing? Hmm?
The only thing a cat truly shares is your free time. The rest, well, have you considered finding somewhere more private?
Ozzy, I just mopped, bro. Really?
Turns out, this is the meaning of your biggest opponent is yourself.
Can I have some catnip? Dude, let me get some catnip. It's not all yours. I want catnip. Why are you hiding it under you?
Whatever that dream is, she's absolutely convinced she's still in it. The boss and her two sidekicks, quick and clean, like they've done this 100 times.
And we played that tape to death. And we played that tape till it was destroyed. And then Pop got the phone call that Greg was having an album release.
Why are you smiling like that?
I just like to smile. Smiling's my favorite.
Okay, but how on earth did he even get stuck like that?
Cubby, we talked about this.
Bud. There's my bra. Can I? Give me it. Give me it.
What? What are you saying that I'm not seeing? What are you saying that I am not seeing?
To spot beauty in spinning clothes. Yeah, some cat stuffs.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Huh?
Cats and easygoing don't go together, and that's exactly why teasing them is fun.
Empujar y arrastrar. Empuja con la palma y arrastra con las yemas.
My belly is rumbling. I hunger, mother. I hunger.
Stop. Stop it.
Hey, bud. You're the weirdest cat.
As long as it's fun, kittens will figure out what it is later. Boredom is how cats create enemies. Average flirting attempt of a bad boy at a rave.
Bug, держи. Bug.
I honestly have no idea why he does this. My working theory is that he's stupid.
All right, now suddenly I feel like taking a trip to Turkey.
Что ты делаешь? Не то, ему зачем?
Grew up playing extreme games already. Bro's gonna be a fearless guy. everybody is friend when the belly is empty. Turns out when you're cute, everything you do is cute.
Yeah, come here. What do you see? Oh.
No. Dude. This is not yours. This is not.
Remy's soup from Ratatouille, which by most metrics appears to be a potato leek soup. I think Pixar took some culinary liberties in picking the recipe, so we're going to do what we do best.
What are you looking at? Oh, what are you looking at, Tambo? What do you see?
Foster, you good?
The one who dares to try is the one who wins. Guys, they are step-by-step creating interesting things, just like a cat-powered transportation vehicle.
Oh my God. Hit my grandma with a pack of cabbage, hit my little niece with a tricycle.
You bring the blanket in? Bingo.
New drinking method unlocked. Well, has there been a day that a cat can be normal all the time?
Use your body weight to push the dough into itself. You might have to add a bit of flour until the dough is easier to work with, but don't overdo it or you'll throw off the balance of flour, yeast, salt.
Oh.
Turns out there's also a vegetarian community in Cat's World.
Kim Petty? Cassian had this absolute.
Stop it. Get away, you psycho. Stop. Now you're about to bite me.
Having a cat as the drama queen in the house can bring you lots of laughs.